Ever stare at your bank statement at the end of the month and feel like you're playing a high-stakes game of where did my money go? You're not alone. We've all been there, that sinking feeling of realizing you spent way more than you intended, or worse, finding mystery charges you can't explain. The truth is, managing your money effectively isn't just about making more of it, it's about understanding where every single naira, dollar, or pound is actually going. And that, my friends, is where an end-of-month financial routine comes in. It's not glamorous, I know. It's not about complex investment strategies or getting rich quick. It's about the consistent, sometimes tedious, but absolutely crucial habit of reviewing your finances. Think of it like a financial health checkup. Just like you wouldn't go months without checking on your physical health, you shouldn't go months without checking on your financial well-being. This end-of-month review is your opportunity to catch potential issues, identify areas for improvement, and ultimately, gain control over your money. For years, I dabbled with spreadsheets, manual tracking, and a whole lot of crossed fingers. And let me tell you, it was a mess. It was time-consuming, prone to errors, and frankly, pretty demotivating. That's when I started exploring financial apps, and one that consistently came up in my research, and one I've now integrated into my own end-of-month routine, is Rocket Money. Now, before we dive deep into how Rocket Money can transform your end-of-month routine, let's set the stage. Why is this routine so important? Well, for starters, it helps you identify spending patterns. We all have them, those little habits that eat away at our budget without us even realizing it. Maybe it's that daily coffee, or the streaming service you signed up for and forgot about, or those frequent online shopping sprees. An end-of-month review, especially with the help of a tool like Rocket Money, makes these patterns glaringly obvious. Secondly, it's crucial for catching unauthorized charges or errors. In this digital age, fraud is a real concern. A quick review of your transactions can immediately flag anything suspicious, allowing you to take action before it escalates. Plus, mistakes happen, and sometimes merchants overcharge or double bill. Without a regular review, you might never notice. Third, an end-of-month routine empowers you to adjust your budget for the next month. Life happens. Unexpected expenses pop up, income might fluctuate, or perhaps you've hit a savings goal faster than anticipated. Your budget shouldn't be a rigid, unchangeable document. It should be a living, breathing plan that you tweak and refine based on your real-world spending and current financial situation. And finally, and perhaps most importantly, it fosters a sense of financial awareness and control. When you know where your money is going, you feel more empowered. You're not just passively watching your bank balance dwindle, you're actively managing your resources, making conscious decisions, and working towards your financial goals. That feeling of control? It's priceless. So, with that context firmly in mind, let's talk about Rocket Money. Over the past few months, it's become an indispensable part of my end-of-month ritual, and in this comprehensive review, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I use it, its standout features, where it shines, and honestly, a few areas where it could still improve. My goal here isn't just to tell you about Rocket Money, but to show you how you can leverage its power to revolutionize your own financial habits. First things first, linking your accounts. This is the foundation of Rocket Money. It connects securely to your bank accounts, credit cards, savings, and even investment accounts. This means all your financial data is pulled into one centralized dashboard. At the end of the month, instead of logging into 5 different banking apps, you open one app, Rocket Money, and everything is right there. This alone is a massive time saver and eliminates so much of the friction that prevents people from doing regular financial reviews. The security is also top-notch, utilizing 256-bit encryption and partnering with Plaid, a trusted third party, so your login information isn't actually stored by Rocket Money. This gives me a lot of peace of mind. Once your accounts are linked, Rocket Money gets to work on categorizing your transactions. This is where the magic truly begins for an end-of-month review. It automatically sorts your spending into categories like groceries, utilities, entertainment, transportation, and so on. Now, let's be real, no automated system is perfect. Sometimes a transaction might get miscategorized, or you might want to create a more specific category for your personal needs. This is where the beauty of Rocket Money comes in. You can easily edit individual transactions and even create rules for future transactions. For example, if your favorite coffee shop always gets lumped into restaurants, you can create a rule that moves it to coffee or a custom daily treats category. During my end-of-month review, I quickly scroll through my transactions, making these minor adjustments. This ensures my data is accurate and reflects my actual spending habits. This granular view is essential for understanding where every penny is going. The Spending Insights feature is a powerhouse for the end-of-month routine. Rocket Money provides clear, intuitive graphs and charts that show you exactly where your money went. You can see how much you spent in each category, how your spending compares to previous months, and even how much you have left in your budget for the current month. This visual representation is incredibly impactful. It's one thing to see a list of numbers, it's another to see a pie chart highlighting that 30% of your income went to dining out. This immediate feedback helps you identify areas where you might be overspending and empowers you to make adjustments for the upcoming month. For instance, if I see my miscellaneous category is consistently higher than I'd like, I know I need to be more mindful of those small, impulse purchases. This kind of insight is invaluable for course correction. Now, let's talk about one of Rocket Money's most celebrated features, and arguably the one that brings the most immediate impact to your end-of-month review: subscription management and cancellation. How many times have you signed up for a free trial, forgotten about it, and then realized months later you've been paying for a service you don't even use? Or perhaps you have multiple streaming services you barely watch. Rocket Money automatically identifies all your recurring subscriptions and presents them in a clear, easy-to-manage list. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.